Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the DRDO vacancy which is released by the official, and these are the fellowship program for the 2 years, junior fellowship program for the 2 years, and what was your basic salary and what was the selection process for the DRDO. All these things we will discuss in this video, and you need to stay at the end of the video. And if you have any type of query, do mention in comment box, and if you want to one-to-one interaction, do so on our Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in the description box. So let's begin with the videos. As you are aware of that, DRDO is the one of the purely government organization, and they have released a notification related to the junior research fellowship program. There is no written examination for this position. They have directly called the candidate for the directly for the interview round. DRDO Project Defense Laboratory, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. You need to go over there and go for the directly interview. They have mentioned that these positions are invited for the walk-in interview for the award of junior research fellowship program to work with the DRDO Professional Project Defense Laboratory, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. And these, if you selected in that particular position, they will get around 31,000 per month with the HRA and medical facilities as per the rules of a DRDO. These fellowship program maximum extendable might be based on the project, but you need to stay for the 2 years over there. And if the requirement is needed, then these fellowship program may extend based on the DRDO requirement. So date of interview and going ahead with the subject and what was the discipline which is required to fill that particular form. Basically there are total 4 branches of different category they are applied to that particular position. For the first, you go for the physics, chemistry, as well as for the engineering sector, electronic as well as mechanical. For the electronic, basically there are total 3 vacancy. In that they have mentioned the 2 criteria. You need to fulfill at least 1 criteria, and the interview date was 8th of December 2021. So what was the criteria? Graduate degree in a professional courses of BE, BTech in electronic as well as electronic and telecommunication in the first class division with the NET and GATE qualification. Similarly, for the other options they have provided, if you have already post graduated in same discipline, then in that case you do not require any of the GATE score for that particular position. Going ahead with the mechanical, there are total 1 position. In that, if you have already clear with the GATE examination and have you completed your degree in mechanical engineering with the first division, then you can eligible to apply that particular position. Or else if you have post graduation and do not appear for GATE, even though also you can also apply for that particular position, but make sure that you need to have at least first division in both the degree. And the date of interview was 9th of December 2021. If you are free and there is no examination on same day, then definitely go for that particular interview, because this interview is scheduled on the Jodhpur, Rajasthan. So if you are located nearby that particular region, then you need to go at least get the idea how the interview process is going on. So what was the basic requirement? That your age relaxation as per the category they will provide over here. There is no TA will be paid once you go for the interview. If you have a not selected, then there is no provision to provide the TA for that particular candidate. And they have also mentioned the procedure to attend the interview. The eligible candidate walk-in interview at the Defense Laboratory, place Jodhpur, Rajasthan. You need to go, and the time mentioned which is 10 o'clock in the morning, and at least try to reach before 1 hour so that you get the idea and take a fresh bath and go for the interview process. And they have also mentioned few document over here. If you have, then at least go for that. And basic requirement, what was the document required? At least biodata along with the passport size photo with the attested. Along with that, you need to carry at least your academic or degree qualification certificate, mark sheet as well as experience certificate if you are applicable with that. Other than that, that's all for this. If you need any further, do mention in comment box, and if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.